We have a recently assembled printed circuit board ready for cleaning. The challenge is to remove all the traces of flux and make the assembly ionically clean. I will make use of FR104 cleaner only because it is specially designed for removal of rosin flux residue. We need 2 baths, one for FR104 solution and the other for plain water. Take 1 part of FR104 concentrate and pour it in the bath selected for FR104 solution. Now take 4 parts of deionized water or clean filtered water and add it to the bath. Stir and mix the contents well. Dip the PCB assembly in the bath of FR104 solution and let it soak for 20 minutes. Take the printed circuit board assembly out of the bath and brush it gently. I can see the flux is now deactivated and loosened from the solder joints. Brushing will remove all the flux residue from the printed circuit board assembly easily. Now dip the printed circuit board assembly in water bath. Rinse it well. For cleaning multiple assemblies, you need a bigger bath for clean water. The best way is to rinse the assemblies under running water. This is a simple but an important step to clean PCB assemblies ionically. You have to ensure that the traces of loosened flux residues and the traces of FR104 solution are removed by washing the assembly in water. The printed circuit board assembly is now absolutely clean. As the traces of flux are completely removed, the assembly looks bright and shining. It has retained the ident marks and print. Dry the assembly before using.